We've got a case or a couple of cases now where an Uber Black has been rear-ended by an uninsured or underinsured motorist, right? And we've sent our general letters of representation, and our clients are like, hey, no big deal. I'm in Uber. And everybody knows that if you're in an Uber, there's an Uber policy that exists that would extend coverage should you be injured, right? Both liability and So you're riding around an Uber, somebody else hits you, it's their fault. No problem, you're covered. We have now uncovered or figured out in Uber's infinite wisdom that if you hire an Uber Black, meaning it's a limousine, they treat these vehicles as professional drivers for hire, meaning they don't extend coverage to those vehicles.
They have their own.
These drivers are required to carry their own coverage. However, in the state of Georgia, there's no requirement that you carry insurance. So the scenario is the three of us decide we're going to go watch some football. We don't drink and drive. We call an Uber Black because, we like to drive in style. We get rear-ended. We call Uber and say, hey, we were rear-ended. Our necks, our backs are messed up. We'd like to know what the policy of coverage is. Uber responds, because this is a driver for hire, we do not extend any coverage. So, you kind of get this sense of security when you're driving around in this nicer car, and you've actually got less coverage, zero coverage, than you would have had if you're riding around in like a hoopty.
And they're also not required to have more than they can have the state minimum as well.
No, and a lot of these cab companies they've got and limo and cab companies, they're carrying $25,000 liability limits only and kind of rolling the dice on whether or not it works.